Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lexi. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be all about iMovie, how I edit my videos, and some tips and tricks about iMovie that you may not really know of. I'm just going to show you guys some things you guys probably don't really know about iMovie, some tips and tricks that there is on it. Yes, I do edit my videos on iMovie. It's free, it comes with my computer, and it works perfectly fine for me. I love it, it's easy, and it works. I just wanted to show you guys how you can use iMovie to the full potential that it really is. I'm going to cover all the topics from green screens, overlays, transitions, sound effects, I'm gonna do all of it. And yeah, I really hope this helps you guys in any way. I don't make the intro too long, so let's get into the video. Okay, hopefully you guys can see me. I will be on my computer here teaching you guys how to do it from there. Color match was something that I learned literally last month. It's something that I didn't think you could do on iMovie, but it's really cool that you can. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go on to another YouTuber's video, or someone who has a filter that you really like. And what you're going to do is you're just going to screenshot a picture of their video, bring it to your iMovie, and you're going to click this button called Match Color. So what you're gonna do is you're going to click the filter off the other video and you're going to add it onto your new photo. And then that way your video now has their filter. I don't really use it just because I feel like the brightness and the lighting on my video is totally different from theirs, and it makes my video look weird sometimes, depending on the filter that I do choose to pick. But this is something that not a lot of people know that you can actually do on your videos, so that's really cool. And then the next thing I have is transition. Something that I usually do is I go to YouTube and I look up green screens. I usually, I love itsfrida. It's one of my favorite helpful YouTuber videos that I do use. And what I do is I actually screen record the transitions that I want, that I found, port them to my computer, and I will use this button right here, and it's a green screen button. So if you click the picture on top, which will be your green screen, it says cut away, and it just kind of naturally pops up, and then you will click the green/blue screen, and from that the green screen will appear on top of that. And that's something that has saved me through so much. So that works with transitions, adding text on top. And for adding text on top, I go to Keynote and I will write down whatever I want to appear on top of my video. And then from there, I use this same green screen button. Don't forget to click crop to fit. Crop to fit helps it stay the same. That's how you do green screens as well. It's pretty simple. The other thing that I want to talk about is the titles. So what you would do is you would go to Keynote and you would type in what you want to on a green screen background, and then you would just download it from your Keynote to your computer, and you would just put that on top of your picture, your video, whatever, and click green screen, and that way you have text on top of whatever you want. I feel like that gives me more freedom for what I really want in my video. On iMovie, if you can change your video to have some kind of effect on top of it, whether it be like a muffled tone, I use muffled, or telephone, or if you want to sound like a robot, iMovie actually has those in there. But something that I do, because I know on YouTube they do have a whole library of copyright-free sound effects. But something that I find easier and more popular is I will go on to YouTube and look up sound effects, or popular sound effects that YouTubers use. And from there you have literally a whole library filled of sound effects. And I use these for transitions or pop-ups or something to add more to my video. You won't get copyrighted for those, but you should give credits in your description. So if you do use those, if you do get them off YouTube, that is what you would do. But to get them from your phone to the computer, all you would do is screen record the sound effects that you do want, and you would just bring those to your computer. And make sure you just, as you put the video into your iMovie, you would click detach audio, and you are free to use all the audio that you want to. Okay, so then the next thing I have for adding onto an overlay for like your social medias that you want to add on to it or whatever. So you go to the app Fonto, and the steps you would do are going to be followed here for you. So first you go to the plain image and you change it to green, because right, green screens are super helpful. And then you're going to the 3 lines in the bottom, and from there you'll click add item. Click the item of the square, and then you'll click size, and you'll change it into a rectangle. So width, length, whatever, change it until you make it into a rectangle. And then go to your images. Make sure you have some kind of Instagram logo saved. That's super easy. You just go to your Google and you look up like Instagram logo template. I'm going to use Instagram. You can do whatever social media you like to use. So then you'll just look up your Instagram logo, and then you'll go on to that, and then you click add image, and you will add your little Instagram icon. And then from there you just place it inside the rectangle, and you'll add text, add your username to it. You'll save the picture, and you'll bring it to your iMovie, and you'll place it into your video wherever you like it to be. Just make sure you click the green screen button, and it'll appear. And yeah, you'll just place it where you want. And then again, to make it a little more fancier, extra, whatever you like to call it, just add a little sound effect of like a pop or something when it comes up. And that's just something super simple. Fonto is free though if you are looking to do this, so nothing in this video is for money, which is really helpful. So yeah, that was my how I edit video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys could take something away from this video, something new, something that you may not have known of. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you guys want to see more videos like this from me, just comment them down below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. And yeah, I post every Sunday, so I will see you guys next week. Okay, bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about a feature.